Clapeyron equations applications. This is the Clapeyron equation. Effects of change of pressure on the melting point is the first application. When solids is converted into liquid, there is change in volume. Now consider the following 2 points. First case, here we take substances like wax and sulfur, which expands on melting. These substances, when are in solid state, when they melt, their volume increases. V1 is initial volume and V2 increases. Here V2 is greater than V1. V2 is greater than V1. So here in this Clapeyron equation, here V2 minus V1 we get positive value. So dP by dt value is positive. So here we can say that the melting point of the wax type substances rises with the increase of pressure. And vice versa, melting point of these substance decreases, decrease in pressure. Here in another case, when we take substance like ice, these substances which contract on melting, which means their volume decreases when they melt. For example, ice is having volume V1. When they melt, the volume of the ice is changes to V2. V1 is greater than V2. V1 is greater than V2. Here in this case, here V2 minus V1 we get negative value. So in this way we get dP by dt is equals to negative value. So when ice like substance melting point decreases with increase in pressure. Melting point decreases with increase in pressure. This can be observed when we fill water in a bottle and we place it in refrigerator. Then we have filled the bottle completely with water. There is no gap. When we keep it in a refrigerator, sometimes when it becomes ice, the bottle
gets broken. The bottle gets broken.
That means when water becomes ice, its volume increases. When ice melts, its volume decreases. Ice melts at temperature lower than the 0 degrees Celsius at high pressure than normal pressure. Next, second application, effects on pressure on boiling point of the liquids. Boiling point means liquid is converting to vapor, then boiling point arises. The volume V2 of the substance in the gaseous state. In the gaseous state, V2 is the volume of substance and V1 is the volume of substance at liquid state. V2 is always greater than V1. For all liquids, V2 is greater than V1 because when liquid occupies a constant volume, when it becomes vapor, it occupies more volume. So V2 is greater than V1. In this case, this term becomes positive, then dP by dt becomes positive, which means boiling point of every liquid rises with increase in pressure and boiling These are the two applications of calcium pepperon equation.